Yes. So welcome back. Welcome back. So we have said we have the average change in length. The average change in length. Now, so this is the average change in length. This is the percentage concentration. And after that, we are supposed to plot a graph. The graph of average change in length and salt concentration. Average change in length and salt concentration. So if you plot that graph, you'll have a curve running in that manner. That is the curve that you'll get. Now, take note that here we have 0. This is average change in length. The negative values, down here we have negative, shows a decrease. The positive values shows an increase. So above this line means there is no increase. 0 means increase is 0, decrease is 0. So here there is no increase. Meaning, if you take a solution, then you place the potato cylinder, that potato cylinder does not change in length after 30 minutes. The reason why it does not change in length is because the amount of water getting into the potato is the same as the amount of water leaving the potato cells by osmosis. If the amount of water getting in is the same as the amount of water getting out, it means that the potato, because you have the potato strip. This potato strip is made up of potato cells, task cells. So if the amount of water getting in is the same as the amount of water coming out of the cells, then it means this solution is isotonic. Isotonic to the potato cells. That is why there is no change in length. Isotonic to the cells inside the potato. So the amount of water getting out is the same as the amount of water getting out. The concentration of that solution is the same as the concentration inside the cell. But an increase in length, like when you have 1%, there's an increase in length. 2%, there's an increase in length. 3%, there's an increase in length. An increase in length means water has moved. Water molecules has moved from the salt solution. So if you have 1% sodium chloride, then you place a potato strip. Then at the end, there will be increase in length. So increase in length means that water has moved into the potato. For water to move, it means the 1% is the region of low concentration, and the potato cells are highly concentrated, meaning water moves from a region of low to a region of high through osmosis, passing through the cell membrane. So it means that where there is an increase in length, the solution is of low concentration. A solution which is of low concentration than the cell of the plant cells is termed hypotonic. Hypotonic. So hypotonic means the solution is of low concentration than the cells. So water moves from low concentration, a region of low concentration, to a region of higher concentration through the cell membrane, causing an increase in length. Now, there is a third case. In a third case, below zero increase in length, there is a decrease. Now, what has caused the decrease in length? Negative. What has caused a decrease in length is this one. You take the potato cylinder, you place it in a concentration of 2%, then the decrease in length is 1.5. 2% decreases 1.5. Decrease means water is leaving the potato cylinder. That is why it is shrinking. The cells are actually losing shape. So as water moves from the cells, this potato will become shorter. So that one means that the 2% sodium chloride is more concentrated than the potato cells. And because it is more concentrated, you say it is hypertonic. This 2% sodium chloride is hypertonic to the potato cells. That's why water is leaving the potato cells by osmosis. So, explanation: an increase in length of the potato cylinders indicates that the sodium chloride solutions were hypotonic to the potato cells. Therefore, water moved by osmosis from the sodium chloride solution into the potato cells by osmosis. The point where the curve cuts the x-axis indicates zero increase or decrease in the length of the potato cylinders. There is no increase or decrease. Hence, the sodium chloride solution was isotonic to the potato cells. Isotonic. Therefore, that will bring us to the end of our class today. Let us meet next time again.